Hello, welcome friends. Myself Sumit Joshi. I am from 8th Computer. Before starting the presentation, on behalf of Team Success, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries and the faculty member who gives me the opportunity to present this project. Please pay attention. Presentation is about to begin. Hello friends. Welcome to SETU. Now, what is SETU? SETU is an abbreviation term of the Student Educational Trouble Solving Unit. Now you have a few questions. What is SETU? How it works? What are the advantages and limitations? So now I am here to present the project and describe the functionalities of this system. The main objective of the system is provide to better system that helps the student and staff to manage their study work in the campus with the greater efficiency. SETU is an educational portal that enhances the system with the help of the various functionalities like the user registration, material upload and downloads, notice, e-libraries, online help desk, e-voting. Now, from that materials upload and download, there are only to use these functionalities. First of all, you have to log in into the system. Now, login, why it is required? Login helps into the uh, enter into the login helps enter into the system. So only authenticate user can access the services which are provided by the system. This shows the login form. Here the authenticate person can enter that your his or her email ID and password. There are two types of user can interact this system, student and faculties that we call staff. Here if the person is not registered, that can be sign up with this link. Student and staff both are distinguished by the slash. Students is only for the students and staff that helps the staff register in the system. Now I am going to demonstrate the student side login. How can any student can log in and access the services? So here I take the sum of the data and login. Here the message shows you are logging successfully. This message shows after the successful login of the user. Here the dashboard. It includes all the services: update profile, material or file download, e-libraries, notice, e-voting, online help desk. This dashboard can be viewed by the student user only and only by entering the correct username and password. The combination of both, if match with the database, then this profile can be accessed. Now, first of them, update profile. What is update profile? The student can update their profile by updating on information on SETU. Here, some of the information of student described here. His personal information like name, enrollment number, email IDs, contact number, address, his current semester and department ID and etc. This can be made change by the particular user if required. These changes can be automatically updated in the database whenever the change is applied by the user. Now material and file downloads. Here the student is from the computer department, so the user can only view the materials which is provided by the his department. Student can able to see the material from all the semester from 1 to 8, which is helpful to read, write or any print materials. These materials contains PDFs, docs, presentations and etc. that cannot contain the any virus or any abuse content, because these contents are only provided by the faculty members. Here, back to dashboard button is unable for the all the pages. So pushing that, we are go on the dashboard. Now, third module, e-library. Here, e-library describes all the books that are available in the libraries that can be helpful for the student to find the book where in the library by entering any book's name or book's author name. He can search the book by entering the name only Bala Guru or Bala. That helps the students which available in a library or not. If book is available, then it shows its book name, author name, rack number and number of books. So it is helpful for the student to go in a library, pick up the book and read it easily. Student not have to more panic about the where is the book to search for the books and spend some of the time for find that book. That helps the students easy way to get the books from the library. That module does not help the student for the issuing book because the system does not include that. For the issuing the books, he or she must be contact for the librarian. Now back to dashboard. Notice. Student can view circulars and notice uploaded by the admin. Here notice is described with its unique number. All the notice and circulars can be viewed here. That can be uploaded by the admin. It also contains the file needed with the notice. For example, if any registration form required to submit by date, then it is attached with the notice or circulars. So user can easily download that form and fill up the form and submit in a administrative office or in a particular department. Now, e-voting. In the section of the e-voting, admin, it plays the role in a voting section. Admin adds the events and also nominate the candidates from the particular classes for the particular event. Here, if the user can available to vote in a event, that can see the event list display in a voting section. Here the two events are running here, student mentor and event coordinator event. If the user needs to want in if if user want to vote in a one of the event or both the event, then he or she can clicking on that event. So the event list, so the voting list for the event is displayed. The candidate name Sagar Tumar and Rohit Borwal are candidate of the voter. Sagar Tumar and Rohit Borwal are the candidates of the student mentor event. By clicking one of them, user can submit vote. If he submit the vote, then the page display for the successful voting. If he is not eligible or already voted ago, then the candidate lists are not displayed here and automatically redirect for at the dashboard with the message cannot you already voted. Now back to dashboard. Now what is the requirement for the voting? Voting useful to select our leader, our mentors, our coordinator. They helps in our classroom to get some tasks that also help the other student to solve their problems. Like we are discussed for the CR selection. CR helps the students class representative. It called it helps the student he helps the student to get stuff out. He helps this he or she helps the student to get their work out. Now, what is online help desk? We call that OHD. Online help desk is the only accessible by the CRs, which are the nominated by the students and all the faculties member. Online help desk is help the student to get their queries and get students to that helps the student. What is online help desk? In a system SETU, student coordinator or any staff member can raise complaint any queries regarding to any amenities in a campus or management or any respective department that can be handled by the particular members of the department that can be answer of that query time by time or updates regarding the queries or complaint in the given time. So user can know that the where are they, so can informing by notification of that queries they came to know about that what are the responses from the management or the particular faculties about their query. So these are the main 6 modules here described for the student. For the whole session, here user can see the his username or logout option here, so easily can get into the profile and log out from the system. Now logging out from the system, if we log in out from the system, we cannot back again. So here message display, you do not have the access to this page because the user are log out. So this security is given to the user. Here about shows the system, some few detailed description about the system in about section. Gallery shows the random photographs click at the some particular event. Here the image with the description of that particular event or photographs. By clicking them, the large size of images can see here. Navigation is also given to this gallery. Introduction to team. This section includes the developer of this project. Here the 5 team members name described here. Sagar Thummar, Rohit Burwal, Sumit Joshi, Kishan Sharma and Nayan Patel. All are that connected with the LinkedIn networks here. So easily by clicking them, we can go into the LinkedIn network. Testimonials and awards. That section includes any queries, suggestions from the user or award in the this section includes the user feedback and the awards winning by the our team. Now contact us is for the guest user or any of the user in a system. Here the map display in a left portion of the form that helps to map the location of the system, that helps to map the location of the system, sorry, that helps to map the location of the college. Here any guest user enter his name, email address and contact message and submit that. By submitting that data are by submitting that the data are inserted into the system, and the confirmation email is sent over the particular guest user. System administrator can contact the guest user by using that email address. So any message or any questions asked by the guest user, the system administrator can give easy reply to that guest user. Now, what are the applications of this system? This system is applicable for the college, universities and school, and also it is helpful for the integrated educational environment. By giving this presentation, I am also by giving this presentation by giving this presentation I want to also include the advantages of this system. This system web based application, so user can access the system from anywhere. This gives the time by time updates, so you can aware about the campus activities through the notices. Student and staff can easily post their queries to management or respective department, so they can know about the problems of the students and staff. Here I want to also mention the future scope of this system. We will developing a mobile application for this system. Also system will be integrated with the video lectures module in our system. Thank you.